Class, there is one question in the book. I want to just discuss it here. It's of the parametric form that if y equals to cos cube t upon root of cos 2t, x equals to sin cube t upon root of cos 2t, prove that dy by dx equals to minus cot of 3t. If y is cos cube t, see, in book its answer is written minus cot 3t directly. So to get the answer, I just wanted to discuss with you. Now first case is y equals to cos cube t upon root of cos 2t. Now this is dy by dt equals to root of cos 2t into minus 3 cos square t sin t minus cos cube t into, this is derivative of this, minus 1 by 2 cos of 2t into 2 sin 2t upon cos 2t. Now in the same way, when you solve this will go there. So this is cos 2t into minus 3 cos square t sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t upon cos 2t is to power 3 by 2. This root comes here. Now in the same way, when you have see, this is clear by quotient rule. So in the same way, when you have x equals to sin cube t upon root cos 2t, there apply also you will quotient rule. Dx by dt is root of cos 2t, this is 3 sin square t cos t minus sin cube t, this is minus 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into 2 sin 2t. So this is cos 2t into, this is 3 cos square t sin t plus sin cube t sin 2t upon cos 2t is to power 3 by 2. So dy by dx will be what? This is dy by dt by dx by dt. Now denominator will cancel, so you have left with cos 2t into, this is minus 3 cos square t sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t upon, this is cos 2t 3 cos square t sin t plus sin cube t sin 2t. So you have got this thing. Now this you have to show that this is equals to minus cot 3t. Now from numerator you take sin t cos t common, you will get minus 3 cos t cos 2t plus, this is 2 cos cube t. This is 2 sin t cos t, here also sin t cos t common, upon, this is 3 cos t cos 2t plus 2 sin cube t. So this will come. Now after this, in numerator you have to apply cos, in denominator you have to apply sin. So this is minus 3 cos t, this is cos 2 cos square t minus 1 plus 2 cos cube t upon, this is 3 cos t 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 2 sin cube t. Sorry, this is sin square t cos t. This is sin square t cos t. Sin square t cos t. So this is cos 2t, दिस इज 3 sin t, तो यहाँ sin t आ गया. Yes. Now when you solve it, this is minus cos 3t by sin 3t, the formula, and that is minus cot 3. So like this you have to solve it. Here you will take common sin t cos t and cancel it.